How to get Aviator Predictor version 4.0 activation code. You've probably seen ads for Aviator Predictor V4.0, promising activation codes that can predict game outcomes, but is it real or just another scam? Let's find out. The app claims to predict when the Aviator plane will crash, giving you guaranteed wins. To unlock it, you're asked for an activation code. So here's the truth. Aviator is a random game. No app can predict its outcomes. These codes are fake and the apps are not authorized by the game developers. Websites offering activation codes often ask for payment or personal info. Many deliver nothing or worse, malware that can harm your device. So is Aviator Predictor 4.0 legit? No, it's a scam too. There are no real activation codes and no way to beat the game using predictors. If you enjoy Aviator, play it for fun only. Stick to official apps and platforms and avoid third party hacks or predictors. And that's the truth about Aviator Predictor 4.0. Don't fall for the activation code scams, play responsibly, and stay safe.